Hey y'all! So Mama Liz here with my brother Daniel Hayes with Hayes Hollow Crappie Fishing and Tackle, and my little sweet niece, which is his daughter, and this is Savannah. And we wanted to come together so that we could show you how my brother creates his homemade tartar sauce. And I'm going to turn it over to my brother so that he can show you how he does his homemade tartar sauce.
All right, it's simple. It's real simple. You start with some onion.
And you can do anything.
We're going to put half of a medium onion in this machine right here. It's a magic bullet. We're going to puree it down. Puree it down, don't chunk it. Let it turn liquefied. What that'll do is that'll give the onion flavor throughout the tartar sauce. It's basically just a paste at this point with a few chunks left. As we add the other ingredients, those will get knocked down. And we're going to clean these jars of, I use mayonnaise.
And y'all can use any kind of food processor that you typically use in your kitchen for being able to puree that onion down.
And this is just my opinion. I mean, it's good. It's the way I like it. You can do it however you want. This is just the Hayes Hollow way.
And I can testify, can't you, Savannah, how good Daddy's tartar sauce is?
Yes.
And then I put Miracle Whip in, and I don't have no set amounts. I just get it to where I get a good mix of surfactant and use the Miracle Whip and the mayonnaise as the surfactant to hold everything together. And who don't like a good tartar sauce when you go eat fish?
Me.
Okay.
She meant she does like a good tartar sauce.
Typically, maybe
Thank you.
3/4 a cup to. I mean, we're going to make this whole jar. So I would venture to say a compressed full cup of mayonnaise to 1/2 to 3/4 a cup of Miracle Whip. Got to have that tangy zip.
Yeah.
Then I add pickle relish, sweet pickle relish. We try to use Louisiana products all the way around, every local.
I don't like when
We're running them sweet gourmet Lafittes. We're going to set the rest of this onion aside to have with our fish later on. But a wise man told me it's easier. Who's the wise man? Wesley Miller told me
Well, thank you all
it's easier to keep a knife sharp than it is to sharpen it. So
for having a fun day. And thank you for everybody's heart and everybody's license. And I thank you all for coming to this place and we like something that can cook. Because I like something.
right. Next, we're going to take out some of these Lafitte sweet gourmet pickles, and we're going to chop them in here. And all I'm going to do with these to chop them
Watch this.
is I'm going to split them one time. That way the food processor don't have to chew up as much now that there's so much in here. To the secret stuff.
The secret sauce.
We're going to put a little Thousand Island in it. 2 tablespoons of Thousand Island. And smoked paprika.
Always gotta have the smoked paprika.
Why?
I'd say
Makes it good.
1/2 tablespoon. And then we're going to put this jewel back together. Be some mad scientists.
Man, it's fine.
And we're going to just run it down.
Well, thank you all. You have
And we We from the South, y'all.
And we can
We
have
make diabetes everything. So, a tablespoon of sugar.
what is he putting?
Times 2.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
And tables and carrots.
Then we're gonna run it again.
Yes, yes.
Ooh, wee, y'all.
Taste.
I'm gonna taste this right now.
Can I see it? Can I taste
Mm.
it?
My brother can make the best tartar sauce.
And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator to chill while the rest of it's coming together.
Oh,
Thank y'all for watching. And like I said, you can modify it however you want.
some's here.
You can tweak it. You can throw some cayenne pepper in it. Orlando's makes some great tartar sauce. They have horseradish base, and it's real good. But I prefer a sweet base. My baby prefers a sweet base, and Miss Hayes Hollow loves a sweet base. I want to thank my sister for coming and allowing me to do this with her. I want to thank all the veterans for giving us the ability to have freedom of speech. And I want to thank God, and I'm going to give all the glory to God. Thank y'all for watching.
Thank y'all.